Asana, we added to Asana, and there's a pattern that I am seeing with a lot of stocks, Tesla included, Zoom included, and I'm seeing it really strong with Asana, which is really justified with the upgrade this today that happened with it. So if you look at this uptrend, it's very clearly a corrective uptrend, kind of or a leading diagonal, right? It's not a 5-wave pattern. It's a 1, 2, 3, followed by another 1, 2, 3, right? So that would give us our A wave and our B wave, right? And this is a very common with tech stocks that are new. I mean, NVIDIA, for example, has this pattern on a very long-term chart. Roku, since this IPO, has been tracking a similar pattern. Datadog. So just because you see these overlapping uptrends doesn't mean that it can't move and move in a big way. I just take it as that there's a little bit more indecisiveness in the story. So anyway, if this is correct, which it appears that it is, what this is the early stages of the C wave right here. And this is how it's unfolding. I think we had our A wave or B wave, and this is the early stages of that C wave, which if accurate, I put this on the chart yesterday, we'll see a breakout above 3450, which I think we close right at that level. So we'll want to see a follow through, hopefully with heavy volume. And then our targets for this move will be, I think conservatively is 55.50, maybe even up into the 66 range. So as long as 26, is that right? 26 holds, this pattern is valid, right? And what I wanted to show you was this pattern right here. So we had some nice divergences, but that's not what I'm trying to show you. Accumulation distribution. I don't talk a lot about this. I only use it whenever I see what I'm seeing now, because when I see this signal, it is a very, very strong signal of bullish momentum in the stock. So this is measuring volume. And the idea behind this, a little rudimentary, but I think it's valid, is that it attempts to measure smart money versus dumb money, institutions versus retail. And the idea is that institutions, smart money, tend to buy in the last hour of the trading day. Reason being is they get to see the lay of the land, they get an idea of what's going on, and then they make their move. To where retail tends to act emotionally, some news hits, and they just want to sell immediately, right? And so it really subtracts early volume from late day volume. It's a little more complex than that, but that's the gist of it. So whenever you see it breaking out to new highs like this before price, that's a very strong sign right there that smart money is getting interested. And as you can see right here, this up move seems to be predominantly smart money, according to this indicator. I've seen whenever it breaks out to new highs before price, it is a strong indicator that it's about to move. And so that was really what justified me to make the move yesterday prior to this breakout. And like I said, we're seeing this pattern all throughout high growth right now, and some stocks that we hold and that we own. So anyway, we may add to this position if we get a clear breakout here, maybe even at this all-time breakout here, because that would be a nice little move with momentum.